Have you ever wanted to wake up inside your dreams and control them? Imagine flying through the sky, exploring fantasy worlds, or even meeting your favorite characters. Sounds amazing, right? Lucid dreaming lets you do exactly that. But if you've heard about it and don't know where to start, don't worry. This video is for complete beginners, and I'm going to show you the easiest method to help you experience your first lucid dream. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share the #1 mistake most beginners make and how to avoid it. Before we jump into the method, let's quickly cover what lucid dreaming actually is. Lucid dreaming is when you become aware that you're dreaming while still inside the dream. This means you can control the environment, interact with dream characters, and experience things that aren't possible in real life. But lucid dreaming isn't just for fun. It's also used for overcoming fears, boosting creativity, and even practicing real-life skills while you sleep. Imagine rehearsing a speech or practicing a sport, all inside your dreams. And no, you won't get stuck in a dream. That's just a myth. All right, let's get into the easiest method to get started. It's simple, it's effective, and it works for beginners. Step 1. Keep a dream journal. First, you need to remember your dreams, because how can you become lucid if you don't even remember dreaming? That's where dream journaling comes in. Every morning, write down your dreams, even if it's just fragments. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and dream signs, things that often appear in your dreams, like a certain place, object, or person. These are your triggers for becoming lucid. Step 2. Do reality checks. Next, you need to train your brain to question reality. Throughout the day, ask yourself, am I dreaming? And do a reality check, like pushing your finger through your palm or pinching your nose and trying to breathe. If this becomes a habit in waking life, it'll carry over into your dreams, and boom, you'll suddenly realize, wait a minute, this is a dream. Step 3. Set an intention. Before bed. Right before you go to sleep, repeat a simple phrase like, tonight, I will realize I'm dreaming. This programs your subconscious mind and increases your chances of recognizing a dream when you're in one. Step 4. The wake back to bed. BTB trick. Now here's a trick that makes lucid dreaming way easier. Set an alarm to wake you up 4 to 6 hours after falling asleep. Stay awake for 10 to 15 minutes, then go back to bed while thinking about lucid dreaming. Why does this work? Because you're waking up right before your longest REM sleep phase, when dreams are most vivid. Why this method works? It improves dream recall, it trains your brain to recognize dreams, it uses science-backed techniques that have helped thousands of people become lucid. Now, before you rush off to try this, let me save you some frustration by sharing the biggest mistake beginners make. And that mistake is trying too hard. A lot of beginners get obsessed with lucid dreaming and expect instant results. But here's the truth. Lucid dreaming takes time and consistency. Instead of stressing, have fun with it. Focus on building habits. Keep journaling, do reality checks, and set your intention before bed. If you stay consistent, it will happen. Lucid dreaming is like learning a new skill. It gets easier the more you practice. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with lucid dreaming? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more lucid dreaming tips. And if you want to level up your dream skills, click here to learn the best lucid dreaming techniques.